This one is the top 5 most downloaded Revit tool in the App Store. Vim42 did a great job here, so I revisited and made a new version in Python. So let's jump into Revit. Great, so I actually made a small video about this tool like a year ago, but there has been quite a lot of updates, so I thought it was worth making a new one. So yeah, by the way, all the code is inside, so if you want to check it out, you just need to press Control and then press the button, and then you're gonna be able to see all the code inside, all the Python and all that. So yeah, I've prepared some walls, some bathroom to distribute the toilets equally, as well as some tags to align, plus some views on a sheet to align them as well. So yeah, for the walls first, so yeah, the tool is pretty simple. Yeah, it's just basically selecting the elements and then the direction you want to align to. So what it doesn't matter is where the north and west and so on is. So it does matter where the screen direction is. So if I select left, it's gonna be the left of what I see right now. So yeah, let's do that. So I do left, and then all the elements are moved to the element that is more on the left. Yeah, I can do right or center. With center, what it's gonna be done, what it's gonna do is gonna take the two extreme points and then center all the elements based on those. So, but yeah, as I said, like if I rotate all this now, this is up, so I will need to click up, down, or middle for those alignments. So yeah, for the second case, for the bathroom, yeah, what is pretty cool, I think, is selecting the walls and then click on distribute vertically. So what this is gonna do is gonna basically distribute them, so the distance between all the walls is the same. So I can do the same for the toilets as well, and maybe for the doors. Yeah. So yeah, it can be used for that as well, and for tags. If you have Revit 2025, this is coming by default, so you don't actually need a plugin. So after selecting the tags, you're gonna get this panel over here. So this is pretty much the same. So in Revit 2025, they decided to implement this align elements right or distribute vertically. But for walls and views, for example, on sheets, that tool is not available. So we need to keep using this plugin. So yeah, what I actually I'm gonna do for this one is I'm gonna go to View, Properties, and I'm gonna change the viewport to a viewport that doesn't have a title. I'm gonna do that because if I align without a title, it's gonna be more accurate. So I don't have anything that is going over here, and I'm gonna align by the sides, by the box of the viewport. So yeah, I'm gonna select all the views and then click align left. I'm gonna do the same with, let me move this here. So I'm gonna do the same with these viewports here. I'm gonna do align down and then distribute horizontally. And then I'm gonna do with this distribute vertically. So yeah, it's quite simple tool. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.